Hi Now family, so we are back with another product. This time we got Imulaza Smart Sprinkler Controller with 12 zones that intelligently optimize your in-ground irrigation system by automatically adjusting to weather conditions, making it easier for you to maintain a healthy landscape while cutting water use. You can easily replace this sprinkler controller with your old ones. You can easily use it in your lawn, garden, vegetables or for shrubs. The device is very easy to install, totally remote control, it's 100% water saving project. So let's open this product and let's see what's inside the box. Alright, so first of all we got a speakers. So basically these are tags, so you can easily identify your sprinkles wires. Then we got a mounting template. You can put this that side and then you can hole a drill via drill bit. I think so this is very intelligent because they gave you a proper hole size, so you can make holes according to the desired size. Then we got a wiring diagram for easy understanding, and then we got a manual book where you can read all of the instructions about this device. And then we got the actual device. But first let's see what else we got in the box. So we got a heavy adapter. This is very much heavy, so this is basically a power supply. And then we got some lugs and screws, and they also give us a screwdriver, which is very cool. Here comes the product. It's very simple. As you can see, there are only 4 buttons for manual handling. Here you can see the 12 zones. Let me tell you quickly what this button. This is basically to select the forward zones. Let's say if you press 1, then the first zone will be selected, and if you press it second time, the second zone will be selected. Same as it is, if you press this button, you can choose the previous zones. Apart from that, here you can see the ports and all of the instructions you can easily get from this manual book. This is a very premium product. And one more thing guys, if you want to buy this product, let's say you want to buy a 12 zone package, then this will cost you $280. And if you want to buy a 4 zone package, then it will cost you $209. And if you want to buy a 16 zone package, then it will cost you $300. If you like this product, I'm gonna bring the link to this product under this video. Go directly buy from the TikTok shop. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video.